Welcome back to Real JeRi, the channel that brings you the latest updates on development projects in Africa and around the world. In today's episode, we are taking you on an exciting journey to explore the incredible transformation happening at the Amahoro Stadium in Kigali, Rwanda. The Amahoro Stadium, the largest stadium in Rwanda with a capacity of 45,000, has a rich history. Its construction began in March 1984 and was completed in January 1989 by the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation at a cost of $21 million. In 1994, the stadium became a temporary UN-protected site and refuge for thousands of people during the Rwanda genocide. It provided shelter to thousands of Tutsi refugees during those challenging times. But today, we are here to witness the remarkable redevelopment of this iconic stadium, driven by Rwanda's deliberate focus on sport development, as it was recently revealed that the 2025 Legends Club World Cup will be hosted in the country. The Rwandan government has been investing heavily in creating world-class sporting facilities, and the Amahoro Stadium is a shining example of their commitment. In 2019, right next to the Amahoro Stadium site, the impressive Kigali Arena, the largest indoor arena in Rwanda and the whole of East Africa, was built. And now, the Amahoro Stadium itself is undergoing a massive facelift set to be completed by the end of 2024. Led by the Turkish firm SUMMA, in collaboration with local construction firms, this redevelopment project aims to elevate the Amahoro Stadium to international standards. The seating capacity is being expanded from 25,000 to 45,000, making it suitable for hosting major football matches, concerts, and public events. But it doesn't stop there. The new Amahoro Stadium is designed to meet FIFA requirements and align with the standards of the World Class Athletics Federation. It features an 8-lane running track, making it capable of hosting major athletics events. The playing surface combines natural grass and artificial turf, ensuring durability and extended playing hours. Inside the stadium, various amenities are being incorporated, including the VVIP area for dignitaries, VIP lounges for business discussions and game enjoyment, and a well-equipped media area for press coverage. Accessibility is a top priority with 10 elevators and 450 specially designated seats for persons with disabilities and special mobility needs. The new Amahoro Stadium will not only be a sports facility but also a year-round entertainment and leisure destination. It will house shops, restaurants, bars, and other commercial premises, boosting its sustainability and allowing it to thrive even on non-match days. As part of this redevelopment project, the neighboring Petit Stade is also being renovated to comply with international basketball and volleyball standards. The old Paralympic playground has been completely rebuilt, matching the facade design in the nearby BK Arena with beautiful Imigongo patterns. Rwanda's commitment to sports development goes beyond infrastructure. The country has secured lucrative endorsement and sponsorship deals with global powerhouses like Arsenal and PSG, further enhancing its presence in the international sports arena. The transformed Amahoro Stadium, with its state-of-the-art facilities and international standards, is a testament to Rwanda's dedication to sports and its vision for a prosperous future. As we continue to bring you the latest news and development projects from Africa and around the world, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Join the Real JeRi community and be part of the conversation. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.